a way something is done or expressed. You all sitting over here have your own unique style. Some prefer to wear kurtas, some are in dashing jackets like Toastmaster Pramod, and some prefer the Shah Rukh Khan style like Toastmaster Yash. Now if you see, similarly, you have different communication styles and it has to be very impactful. Rather than that, your words may not have value. Now going straight or going diagonally straight, I'll talk about 4 styles of communication. The first being direct communication style. Now this kind of style is very direct to the point. They do not beat around the bush. For example, you saw a person and you just compliment her, hey, you are beautiful. Now that's being direct to the point. Number 2 being the initiative communication style. Suppose there is a person next to you whom you don't even know, but deep down your heart, you want to tell them that, hey, you look beautiful. How do you go about it? So, being in the second style, you would first strike a conversation with them. Like, hey, what do you do? If you are in college, you would ask like what your branch is, how did you end up in this college? And then slowly when you know that rapport is built with them, that hey, you're hearing somebody, you look beautiful actually. Don't take that risk if you actually don't want to compliment. Moving on to the third style, that is the supportive style. Now you might have friends who really want your validation that how do they look. Keep that in suspense. Now this kind of style is commonly used when you actually know the other person quite really for a long time. And that kind of support actually matters to them. In that way, after a long time when you have nice connection with them, and that's the time when your way of complimenting will actually give validation to them. The fourth one being the analytical type. Now these people believe in facts and figures. They do not want compliments or they do not want vague sentences. So if you tell them, hey, you look beautiful, they'll just ignore it. But if you tell them, hey, you look 50% not ugly, they will believe it. So these were the 4 types. Now to tell what is my communication style, after I took the assessment, it showed supportive and initiative. So initiative where I said you have to strike a conversation first to build a rapport with that person, to establish a connection with them, and then say whatever you want to say, because that time your words will hold value. And the second one being supportive. Again, establishing connection so that my words do not sound fake. Like even if I compliment, the person understands that my compliment is genuine. Now I read this thought where Dan Oswald said that a communication style needs to be hot, honest, open-minded, and 2 ways. Now your communication style can be a mixture of any 4 of these, or can be something very new which does not even exist in theories, or it can be as simple as that you just like talking whatever comes to your mind. But whenever you have a thought, just make sure that whatever communication style you are preferring, it always leaves an impact. Your words are not taken just for granted. So that's how the 4 communication styles can be incorporated, even 1 of them, or 2 of them, or 4 of them. Now telling the impactfulness of the communication style. A communication style can be very situational also. Like you come late to the class and teacher asks you why are you late. You cannot be direct and say I just woke up late. You'll be thrown out and maybe never allowed into the class. You have to be very initiative that time. Strike a conversation saying that, ma'am, I missed my bus. I come from 10 kilometers away, so that sounds like very genuine and she will let you in. You never know that. And what will happen if your communication style is not effective. The worst will happen in engineering college life would be that you lose your Viva marks. Now what can be more sadder than that? Everyone sitting here, right from the first generation of UBC to the passed out generation and to the current fourth year, wouldn't want to lose those precious marks which are in your hands totally. Summing it all up, your communication style is unique. No two persons sitting side by side can have exactly the same set of communication style, but there can be intersection of styles. So dear friends, try to figure out what's your style, in which style you feel comfortable in, where you can first gel down and then try establishing connection with others.